it's Dione Irwin here. How's it going? Happy Tuesday. It's been a while since I've been live. I'm gonna fix my camera here. Oh, sorry guys. Go like that and then come back. Hello, come back here everybody. Okay, hey, make sure you say hello so I can tell you're watching if you're gonna join in. Thank you for the hearts. I love the hearts. Hey Caitlin, hey Jen, how's it going? Dione Irwin here. Any of you that are watching that don't know, it's Dione Irwin here with the Dione Irwin Real Estate Team, Remax House of Real Estate. And I am in Airdrie today. I haven't been live for a while. So I'm excited to be live on here today. This is a beautiful condo we have listed. And Caitlin, aw, Caitlin, you're always so nice. You always give me such great compliments. I'm glad you like the blue. Caitlin says she loves me in blue. It does make my hair look redder, I think. So thank you. I feel a bit festive, like Christmas, like red and greenish, you know? That's how much that's my Christmas decorations right there. So anyway, Caitlin has been doing an awesome job with these clients. They are selling their condo and Caitlin's in charge of this listing. So I'm so excited. Thank you, Caitlin, for working so hard. I just met our client. She's awesome. And I'm here to do the video, which I love doing. You guys know I love the videos, right? So thanks for the hearts. You can send as many of those as you want. So yeah, thanks for watching, everyone. If you're catching this live, hey, thank you. If you're watching this later, you can always share the post. You can tag a friend that's looking for a beautiful condo in Airdrie in the Edge. I'll give you the details and show it to you guys. If you're watching it live, you could start a watch party. You could share it on any page you think you would like, or anybody's personal page that you think would like to see this. So I'm at the Edge, so I'm at 2232604 East Lake Boulevard, right? Is that it? That's it, right? And we're at on a corner unit, 2-bed, 2-bath, just under 1,000 square feet. It's a south-facing balcony. We've got tandem parking plus, we've got tandem titled parking plus an underground assigned parking. So there's three parking stalls here. This is what I am, this is what Caitlin's let me know, which is very rare. And there's a lot of storage in this unit. It's got a really nice private balcony. You're overlooking the football field and skating rink. So it's just a lot of really nice views to be able to look at and be occupied and watch people doing some things, which I like about this building. The location is really great. And they don't come up that often in the corner units. So anyway, if you guys would like to see it, I'm gonna flip the camera around and I'm gonna show you this unit. Okay, so it's corner unit, south balcony. Caitlin, if I'm missing anything, I know you will, hopefully you'll chime in here and type something out. And yes, it is very cold. It is very cold out today. It's about -16 here in Airdrie. But it could be worse, right? Okay, so I'm gonna flip this around. Let's flip it around. Okay, so you come in, you have this huge entryway with tile and hardwood. They have granite throughout. This is a rare unit. Okay, so you come in, you've got storage, a lot of storage right here. Okay, storage. And then you've got another, you have a closet. So a nice big closet. They have room for a bench and a mirror, everything here. Okay, and then you come in, it's a really neat layout. So we've got a nice big dining area. We've got laundry and we have more storage right here. This is such a great kitchen. I love this kitchen with the granite, stainless steel, and you have a really nice, you're overlooking, you can see Genesis Place here and the football field. So it's just a really neat kind of a lot of, action happening, but just generally quiet here. But sometimes you can watch football if you want, right? Or there's track and field sometimes I think you can watch. Maybe that's over on the other side. Anyway, it's a pretty neat location. So big living room, 9-foot ceilings, knockdown ceiling. And let me show you the gorgeous balcony, guys, okay? So really nice balcony, private. There's nobody, no other balconies. You can't see anybody else's balcony. So when you're out there, you have your whole thing to yourself. Okay. Okay, so let's go. Hey guys. Okay, here, okay, it's a 2-bedroom. So they have this one kind of as a den. So this is the 2nd bedroom with the bathroom right here. So they've got the nice vanities with the extra storage below and tub shower combo. Okay. And then if we go over here to this side of the condo, we've got the master suite, the primary suite. Okay. So they've got a really big king size bed here. They've got their bed facing this way. You could also put it on this wall here if you wanted. There's a lot of room here if you want to switch it up. They've got a huge bed, night tables. They've got a lot of dressers and furniture, and it's still quite roomy. And we've got a walk-through closet. And then the ensuite is a really nice, it's got a nice glass shower. So if you don't like tubs, if you have trouble getting into the tub shower combo, this is just a nice glass shower. Easy to get in and out, which I know is important to a lot of people. Yes, so that's the tour. It never takes that long to give a tour of a condo, but this is so clean. There's no pets here. It's just a very, very nicely well-maintained home. Hardwood, tile, granite, really nice lighting, a lot of really great features. So the price of this one is $245,000. So if you are looking for this, or you know somebody that is, make sure you message us or message your realtor and get them to message us. It's going to be on the market. I'm not sure exactly when, but soon. We've got the photos and measures, I think, already done. So I really, if you guys want to get in early, make sure you message us. I don't think there's a whole lot of things like this in Airdrie right now, especially in the edge with this great location. So I need to run, but I'm going to say thank you again for joining in. And I hope to be seeing you guys soon. I hope you're all having a great holiday season and that you do have a wonderful time and try to enjoy the moments you have with your loved ones. All right. So I'm sure I will see you again before Christmas. But for today, goodbye. Thank you, everybody.